So I travel with my gear a lot, and as many of you know, I use the Panasonic GH series, this one being the Panasonic GH4. Over time, my EVF has become super cloudy. So the inside of my camera bag has all these Velcro patches along the sides so you can customize all your compartments to fit your gear. But clearly over time, that soft plastic has started to wear, and now we have a real foggy spot on the EVF. I can remember trying to hold it up to my eye and take pictures, and it's just super blurry and I couldn't understand why. So I did a little bit of research and found out that the EVF on this particular camera is not made of glass. It's just a plastic, and plastic is soft, and it has accumulated scratches that are building up right where my eye needs to see to get sharp focus. So it turns out that you can use something called the Novus 2. This is a fine scratch remover paste, and today we're gonna try and fix the EVF using this polishing compound. Picked up some Q-tips and I've got some cotton pads. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with some air, some compressed air, and just kind of lightly blow off so that there's no debris or dust. I'm just gonna get a little bit of this paste and start applying it right to that plastic. Now, I don't want to jam it too far into the edges because chances are I probably won't get it out. So I'm going to try and keep it as center as possible. The container says to apply the polish in a circular motion until it's dry. So let's just work this in really good until it's fully dry, and then we're going to buff it out with a clean Q-tip. I feel like that might have been enough. All right, so I'm just gonna buff it off really good with a dry Q-tip. I'm applying some pretty decent pressure. I thought I'd need to do this more, but I feel like it's actually gonna be one and done. Let's have a look at it. Oh my gosh, no way. No way. One coat worked really good. I'm actually blown away, but I can still see a teeny bit of spider webbing. I'm gonna add just a little bit more polish to the Q-tip and try one more coat. After it's rubbed in, you know, use a clean one. Let's have a look. Dude, it's actually incredible. No matter where I put my eye, it's super sharp. Well, that solves it. Dang. I really wanted to use the Dremel. So if you have a Panasonic GH4 and you got your EVF all scratched up, don't freak out. There's no replacement parts, but you can bring it back to usable condition for right around 12 bucks. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can find it on Amazon. That's all for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I'll see you on the next one.